DC Roofing of Arizona provides both residential and commercial customers the best quality, affordable roofing solutions in Tucson and throughout southern Arizona. Whether you need a simple roof repair, a re-roof, or you need a new roof installation on your home or business, DC Roofing can take care of it for you. Tile roofs, shingles, or flat roof coatings, we do it all with the same level of professionalism and high quality materials and workmanship. Our number one priority is our customers' satisfaction. For all your roofing needs in Tucson and surrounding areas, give DC Roofing a call today at 520-979-9095 or visit us on the web at dcroofingarizona.com.